Shenzhen. We're in Shenzhen. One of the tourist hotspots for the Westerners is Shenzhen Tech Market, or SEG, Tech Market. Yeah, they sell all kind of tech products, phone cases, batteries, chargers, cameras, phones, anything you can imagine of. It's called Tech Market, Tech Shopping Mall. It is right on line Metro Line 7. Metro Line 7's King Wuchang Bay, Wuchang North Station, Wuchang North Station, Wuchang Bay Station. Just exit there, leads you right into the Tech Market, Tech Shopping Mall. It is massive. You can walk around. I already bought some stuff. Yeah, wherever I go, I try to spend some money. Go to the tradition. Which has become a tradition for me. Wherever I go, I spend money. So this is the Tech Market. You can see left and right Tech Market. Shenzhen Tech Market. Let me check something else and I will come back. Walking through Tech Market, Tech Shopping Mall in Shenzhen. Shenzhen. I mean, I call Shenzhen, usually it's called Shenzhen. That is red as J, Shenzhen. Guangzhou. Yeah, it is. There are still some shops. Some shops are open, some of them not, probably because it's still early. 11 a.m. in the morning, probably open in the afternoon, I don't know. I bought a 3C port charger cable, a phone case, and something like that down there. It is interesting. This is Secom. You can see over there. Tech Shopping Mall Market. It is very big. You have original brands. So as far as I can see, I see Huawei, Vivo, Apple, Lenovo, Dell, all of them are here. So you have everything here. And these are not rental e-scooters, I think. They're for the people who work here. E-scooters. There is kind of wholesale, I think, yes. It's a wholesale of. It's the wholesale. And this is the Shenzhen Tech Market. Shenzhen Tech of any kind. I don't know whether they are really. I mean, you can see it. It is Shenzhen Tech Market. You can have a walk for it. This build on the other side, there are like small shops selling chargers, phone cases, phones, I don't know, cables, power banks. Yeah, anything you need is available here. It's a really big complex. There are two buildings. Now I'm at DJA store. I just want to see something and then I'll come back. This is Shenzhen's tech market, as you can see. Spotlessly clean. You can come over. I already bought some stuff, like charger, a 3C port charger, phone case, like small things. So you can see they're like original brands here. So DJI, Canon, Sony. I really don't know. It's highly possible that they are selling fake products here. The DJI shop is great.
It looks different.
Tech. So you can see. Hello from the inside of Shenzhen's tech market. Here you can find anything, everything, anything related to tech, computers, tablets, phones, chargers, cameras. Everything is here. So, your Shenzhen trip is not over yet until you visit this tech market. I think it's some electronics. I already bought some stuff. So now I'm heading to somewhere else. I'm heading to somewhere else to find out. I need the earphones. Let me see whether I can find it or not. Can I find? No more. This place is very big. It's a very big shopping mall. Selling, yeah, original and yeah, maybe some fake stuff. I don't know. Which is normal in Asia. Anyway, it's a beautiful place. It is new. Inside is very lively, not very busy. It's right on line 7, Washang Bay, Washang South, no, Washang North. Bay means north here. So if you're around, jump on line 7, line 1 or 2. Just make sure it's not far from the Fujian district. Anyway, now I'm leaving to move on. This was my today's Shenzhen tour of Shenzhen tech markets. Hello from Shenzhen is my city. Shenzhen is my city. So you can see, like 7, 8 floors. Down there you have like wholesale, department, and here up there you have shops of any kind related to technology. Second floor, all kind of kind of stuff. I'm waiting for you to explore both. And also, what? With joy in your heart. With joy in your heart. From Shenzhen's tech market. They call it SEG.com. So SEG.com. Walk this way a bit and then leave. It is fun walking here. They're very nice. Not disturbing like in other countries. Rush to try to pull you into their shops. So far everything is alright here. Now I'm leaving. Ground floor is for wholesale stores and some other small shops. And I'm going to the exit. Welcome into the Shenzhen tech market. This is wholesale. Now I need to leave.